This is the living room. Opens into the kitchen, which has been remodeled. There's a little bit of staining on the ground.
Where should I go?
And then this is one of the bedrooms.
He's also going to put a hood, a range, and fan right under here.
There's the bathroom. And then the second bedroom that opens out onto a patio.